Hey guys, and welcome back to the Callaghan Motors YouTube channel. Right now, running through our 2017 Holden Commodore VF Evoke. Starting off, these were super popular. So we're really privileged to have another one here now. Projector beam headlights. Make it really easy to see while you're on the road at night. A couple of side sensors there, so they'll sense vehicles coming along the front. If you're sort of trying to leave a park or anything like that, I'll let you know. And the vehicle will actually park itself, so those sensors help out with that as well. Alloy wheels all round, make it look nice and sporty. The VFs are always a very sporty vehicle too. Nice cloth interior, optimal comfort and plenty of room for the whole family. This vehicle has been checked by our workshop, by our Holden trained technicians. They've given it the big green tick of approval. If you've got any questions, come in or click the link to speak to one of our friendly sales consultants for more information. They'll be more than happy to help you out. Or book a test drive. We'll be able to sort you out there. If you have got any questions, click the link through. Get in touch with one of our friendly sales guys for more information on the 2017 VF Evoke.